Hi guys, it's your girl Adam Beauty Skincare and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to make your own soap from scratch. This is it. This is milk soap. I use almond milk and hot milk to make this moisturizing and glowing soap guys. This soap is going to clear your skin guys. This is it. I don't know if you can see, sorry for the lights. Yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to make this soap from the scratch with your light solution and oils and other ingredients that you want to add to it to give your skin a glowing and nice looking skin. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning in, I say thank you, welcome, and feel free to stay with us. Subscribe and leave your comment below. Make sure you share this video with your friends and families. This video could be beneficial to them. So guys, and for my subscribers, I say thank you so much. I love you all like mad. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything guys. So if you want to know how I make this soap, come, let's go to my kitchen. Or no, I'm not going to make this in my kitchen. So let's go to my workstation and I'm going to teach you how to make your own soap from scratch. Stay tuned guys. I love you all. Bye.
Okay guys, we are here. So this is my oil. In here I have coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil and castor oil, and this is my light solution and my milk. This is my oat milk and almond milk. Like I said before, this soap is a milk soap, and I'm still going to add my papaya lightening oil, which I made myself. So guys, if you want to know how I make this papaya lightening oil, check my playlist and you will see the video there and you know how to make your own papaya lightening oil. So guys, now I'm going to pour in my lye solution. So guys, I did not show the part where I did the lye solution, but if you want to know how I make my lye solution, you can check my playlist where I did carrot and ginger soup. Yeah, I think there I showed how I made my lye solution. So guys, now that I've added the lye solution, what I'm going to do is to stick blend this. Yeah, is to stick blend this so that we can have a little trace before I can add the other additive that I'm going to add to this soap. So we just have to stick blend this. If you don't have a stick blender, you can also use your spoon or whatsoever you have to stick blend this, but I don't know if you're going to get a trace so quick, so it is better to get a stick blender if you're going to make your own soap. So guys, now I'm adding the almond milk. Almond is so nourishing to the skin. Almond can tone your skin. Yeah, almond is very good when it comes to toning of the skin. You can go do your own research and you will know what I'm talking about. So guys, now I'm going to add my honey. In this honey I have arbutin powder and Kojic acid. So honey is going to moisturize and glow your skin, while the arbutin powder and the Kojic acid powder is going to lighten up your skin. So guys, I want this soap to be a lightening soap also, in case if you have dark spots and scars. So these powders are going to help to lighten up those dark spots and scars. So guys, what I added before was my oatmeal milk, which is also good in toning the skin, giving your skin a glow. So guys, The best food you can give to your skin is a plant-based ingredient. If you want to make any formulation for your skin, if you want to make cream for your skin, if you want to tune your skin or lighten up your skin, go for natural and go for plant-based, guys. So now I'm going to stick blend this until we have a trace before we can mold our soap. You must have a trace before you can mold your soap, guys. So what we're going to do is to stick blend this until we have a trace, and I will mold the soap. So guys, stay tuned, and if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please feel free to subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, So guys, this is how our soap turned out. This is so beautiful. I did not add any color to it, but the color came out yellowish and it's so beautiful. So guys, we are going to allow our soap to cure for 6 weeks before we can use this soap. You cannot use this soap right away, so we're going to allow it to cure for 6 weeks. So I'm going to keep mine in we're going to keep mine in the oven and allow it to cure for 6 weeks. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload a new video. And give this video a huge thumbs up, leave your comments below, share this video with your friends, and try to make yours, and let's see how it goes also. So thank you guys, I love you all, and see you soon in my other next video where I'm going to teach you how to make turmeric oil. Love you all, bye.